Hi, this video is to demonstrate how to construct confidence interval for binomial proportion P. Here is an example. Coles and Woolworths are two major supermarket chains in Australia. A business analyst wants to know whether customers prefer shopping at Coles to Woolworths. So he takes a random sample of 200 customers who have shopped at both Coles and Woolworths, and he finds that 112 customers prefer shopping at Coles. Now, to construct the confidence interval for P, we need to use the formula. A 95% confidence interval corresponds to a critical value, Z alpha over 2, or Z 0.025 equal to 1.96. This value can be obtained from the Z table, or you can use the Excel command. The estimate of this population proportion P is the P hat, which is X over N, or 112 divided by 200. And the standard error is the square root of P hat times 1 minus P hat over N, which is 0.0351. So the lower confidence limit for the proportion P is P hat minus the Z value multiplied by standard error. And for the upper confidence limit, we have P hat plus the Z value multiplied by the standard error. Okay, this is to obtain the confidence interval using formula. Now, we can use data analysis plus to construct the confidence interval for us. Now, these 200 customers actually produce 200 values for the Bernoulli random variable Z. So 112 customers prefer shopping at Coles, which means that we have 112 successes and 88 failure. So we create a column of data. In column C, I have 112 ones and 88 zeros. Okay. To construct the confidence interval, we go to add-ins, data analysis plus a Z estimate proportion. So we choose the data, including the label Z. So we're altogether 200 observations. Okay. Success is 1. For the 95% confidence interval, we choose alpha equal to 0.05. We click OK, and the output, Excel output, will be in a separate spreadsheet. I copy and paste the output into the main spreadsheet. Now you can see that the 95% confidence interval is 0.4912, the lower limit, and 0.6288 as the upper limit. This interval from data analysis is exactly the same as the confidence interval we obtained using formula. This is the end of my demonstration. Thank you very much.